Hi, welcome. This is International or Universal World Olympiad Mathematics channel. Today the day 13. We're waiting for this. Dikkatam api dawas 12ක් ජාත්‍යන්තර නැත්නම් Universal Mathematics question solving channel through this YouTube platform. ஆவலாய் காத்திருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் நன்றிகள் வணக்கம். Subscribe பண்ணுங்க. புதியவங்களுக்கும் எடுத்து வைங்க. Share this. Share current, those are following, preparing for school level, zonal, district, provincial, national and international, also region, Asian, South RMO, Regional Mathematics Olympiad, or Indian, Malaysian, Kangaroo, Canada, Australian, or something like that, or African. We have so many Olympiad contests. Okay, today I hope to work two questions. Super prashna deka hadam api. So I sent this through WhatsApp channel. The newcomers subscribe this, and also you can join through that my WhatsApp group Olympiad Mathematics that is in the comment section. You can link it. Okay, see this quarter circle, right? Today's question number 1, day 13, quarter circle, and the square is drawn, right? Diagram is a little bit tricky. Just study the diagram properly first occasion. This is a quarter circle, 90 degrees, that's why quarter circle. And this is the square, okay? How the square is, actually the two sides of the square lie inside the quadrant. මේ ස්ක්වයාර් එකේ පාද දෙකක් සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම ඇතුළේ තියෙනවා. ඊළඟ පග්ගංගල උල්ලේ ඉරිකින්රදු. And a small part outside, right? පොඩ්ඩක් පොඩි කෑල්ලක් out තියෙනවා. ඒක හරියට ගියොත් තමයි වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. يعني ආවට ගියාට රූපයෙන් දැට හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. So this is 8 part, 8 centimeters or 8 units, right? This is 6 units. So question is find the area of the square. Area of the square and area of the quarter circle. Actually 2 questions. So I can modify this problem into several parts. Isromapi find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. The arriva kalvaddatin arai kanga. ඉස්සරම අපි මේ quarter කාර්තුවක මේ අරය සොයමු නේද? එහෙම පටන් ගමුකෝ. අරය සොයන්න එහෙම if you know the once you know the radius of this quarter circle, then you know the area of the circle. So by that blah blah I can go to find this square area, right? Okay. So those are tried already or you worked it, check me my solution. I said several occasions is one of my solution. இதுவும் ஒரு விடை அல்ல. இது and the method, but விடை is same, සහල answer same, but one of the method, right? මේක මගේ ක්‍රමය, මේක එක ක්‍රමයක්. තවත් වැඩිම තියන්න පුළුවන්. තවත් long steps තියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. So see my method. Can I take the radius of this circle is r, right? I take the radius of the circle is r, okay? So diagram angulak, if you those are following regular basis, they know well how I am explaining method. diagram ආපුවා පට්ට මැච් එක එතනින්ම වැඩි ඉවර වෙන්න ඕනේ. රූපයෙන්ම අපි සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක ඉවර කරාම ලේසි. This is r and පොඩුවම්. ඉදුම් radius r, right? Therefore this is 8 up to this 8. You know the balance part r minus 8, okay? R minus 8. Therefore r should be always more than 8 a value. Radius of this circle more than 8 a value, right? More than 8 a value, okay? This is 6 now. This is r minus 6, okay? R minus 6. So I can give some name letters ටිකක් දාම එතන පහසු වෙනවා ඇති. I take this is O, here O, here A, okay? Here ඔන්න මෙතන දාන්නම්කෝ B. අවශ්‍ය වෙන තැන් මේක C කියලා දාම. I lettered name the points, vertices O, A, C, B here, right? Okay, now see some tricky of this question. How to find the radius of the circle, radius of the quarter circle, then area of the quarter circle 1/4 pi r square. නාලි ලොන්ඩු pi r වර්ගම් 4න් එකක් pi r square දාන්න වේ පස්සේ වැඩේව පස්සේ කාලේ ඉන්න වැඩ. ඉස්සරහ අපිට අරය සොයන්න මොනවාරි ක්‍රමානුකූලක් තියෙනවාද බලමු. Oh, now see this my construction කෝණ වෙනවාමයි. Just this kind of question is my uncommon problem නේ hello. කෙලින්ම යන්න බෑ පොඩ්ඩක් ඩාම් ඩෝම් වටපිටාම ඇවිල්ලා තමයි ඔන්න උත්තරේ ගත්තා කියලා මාර සතුටක් අපිට ලැබෙන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් අර සතුට මේ අර construction part එක technical tricky That's why I'm teaching here just through this online World Olympiad Mathematics channel, right? Okay, see, I decide to work a small construction from this square. From here I drove a perpendicular, right? I drove a perpendicular, okay? Can I name it A, B, C, D කියලා දාන්නද? එතන D. So draw a big diagram. WhatsApp channel එකේ තියෙනවා diagram. ඔක්කොම ලකුණු කරන්න. ඒතකොට නියමට වැඩේ ලස්සන ඉවර කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. So my diagram, not the scale picture in the vibe. This is a green board, not scale diagram. පොඩ්ඩක් එහෙම රූප shape එක පොඩ්ඩක් එදවෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Subject එක පමණක් කොන්ස් අවධානය main part origin එක පමණක් base එක පමණක් ගන්නට. So make I drawn a right angle perpendicular here, right? එතකොට බලන්න, can I say is theta? See here my method, I say theta angle is theta or alpha x, whatever it is, right? So this right angle triangle here 90, here theta. You know square, all the angles are 90. Hello, make it 90, 90, huh? All 90 degrees, right? Now see totally 180 degrees, huh? Totally 180 degrees දාලා මේක හොයන්න බලමු. 180 නම් 90 අඩු කරමු කලිග්ගවවනම් θ කලිචිවට්ටා ඉදවරු මාර්කම්. So how this answer 90 minus theta? Then make a check, will you? This is 90 minus theta angle, right? Because of straight line supplementary angle. So take here this right angle triangle. Here 90, here 90 minus theta. Onna make a theta. Ekay mage me wedda udema first day. So take this triangle. Here theta, here theta. Okay, I shown all. Okay, මම පිටු ගාන පුරවන්න නැහැ. Diagram ඔප්පු කළා. Okay. Here theta, here theta. Here 90, here 90. Square කිව්වම පාද සමානයි. All the sides are equal. සදුරத்தில் පක්ගංගල් සමනීලම්. Yeah, but my these local maybe grade 10 exams, congruency. These two triangles said to be congruent, right? These two triangles said to be congruent. So because of angle side, neither angle side, okay? Therefore I can show that විතරක් මම දාන්න අද මාත්‍රම් පොඩ්රෙන් triangle OA neither triangle. I can mark a name here, A, B, C, D. I said here E, huh? This is E, right? This point is E, Kiradamu, right? So triangle ACE, congruency, triangle OBE. I said several occasions, this is my unedited video. පන්ති කාමරේ මගේ හැසිරීම කොහොමද ඒකයි මෙතනත් වෙන්නේ ආය රංගපාන්න බෑ. Full live complete කරලා පස්සේ recording passa kelima antarjalata yanawa. Okay, so these two triangles congruent under the case of two angles one side, right? Angle side kona dekak tiyenawane hello ruji konai mega theta. Here 90, here theta, this side is equal. Therefore these two triangle congruent. I think main purpose, one of the method, congruency. So after congruent, you know, wherever the question comes under the congruency, Angasam, I said heart of mathematics, geometry. Geometry, hadavata tamai me Angasama. Without congruency, so many questions miss when Peter. Okay, therefore two triangle congruent. So after congruency, corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Anurupa pada, kona tika samana venawana, otta pakkangal samana argum, otta konangal samana argum. Therefore, opposite this theta CD equal opposite this theta OE. Okay, okay, this opposite of theta CD, opposite of theta OE. That is, I mentioned R minus 8. Okay, therefore this is R minus 8, right? Ekathari. You know this BE side or this one OB side, or opposite 90 minus theta OB side equal to this this not 8, completely radius. I mentioned this is 8, make 8, here 8, here 8. AE is 8, don't misuse hadita avadhanam balanta ඔක්කොම ලකුණු කරලා තියාගන්න. AE is 8, AE is 8, okay? AE is 8, okay? Here what මෙතන point එකක් දැම්මොත් මේ කෑල්ල 6යි. Okay, therefore I mentioned these two triangle concave. After concave, here opposite theta r minus 8 now. CD r minus 8. Okay. Alright. Hereafter I noted that. So what the next side? Next side, comma, this angle here 90 r minus 6. This is r minus 6. Therefore, see will you ED varavanu r minus 6. Okay. After concurrency, corresponding parts are equal. Hadisi vela wedi karanta bෑ ලස්සන්ට බලන්ට note කරලා තියාගන්න. Switch off this. I පාරක් return, revise and see what I am explaining here, right? එතකොට you know what's happened. මොකද වෙන්න දේ ටිකක් board එකේ දාන්න share copy කරලා යන්න share කියලා මම පන්තියේ කියන එහෙම කරන්න බෑනේ. Right. So ED is ED here, right? ED part is r minus 6 because corresponding angle, right? Now see my another construction. තව පොඩි කෑල්ලක් කරන්න යනවා. Can I O is center of the quarter circle, right? So can I join the OC? I'll join the OC, right? අපේ ළමයි හරියට බලන්න ලස්සනට වෙනම note පොතක් තියාගන්න. පුරවගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. ඒක නියමට you're genius in your provincial, zonal or your school level or national and international. So what is my construction? I join these. I see here another chance. Join kara, right? Yeah, for now I draw the right angle triangle. Okay. Can you see this right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle. Mehma dabalanda OAC, right? OAC is a right angle triangle. So what is OA? What is OA is from here right angle triangle. That is OD, right? Check, will you check? Harita balanda kiwa make a D here, D, yeah. So what is OD answer? Matone OD part. What is OD? OE plus ED. OE plus ED, right? OD is, see, OD is OE plus ED, yeah? OD is OE plus ED. Hello? What is OD? OD ko OD. OE is R minus 8, huh? OE is R minus 8 plus ED is, what is ED? R minus 6 the. Okay, na game manne ape lamai 2R minus 14 the. OD is 2R minus 14. I always love the method. Complete the picture, do a very big diagram, draw itself and mark everything, then become a simple case, right? So make a 2R minus that. What is CD? R minus 8, okay? Make a R minus 8. Who can say the OC? What OC? Hello? What is OC? What is OC? O center, radius, R, okay? Already. So we frequently worked about, we called the person called Mr. Pythagoras. Without Python, no mathematics, especially in the like a right angle, triangle, solving. Now see all three sides are completed. All three sides completed. Apply the Pythagoras. Then you can find the radius of the right angle here, or the quarter circle radius. So that's the technique here. Once you know the radius, then you can find all type of question hereafter, right? Okay, mana api damuda Pythagoras vade karamuda. So what that Pythagoras, can you see this? 2R minus 14 all things square plus R minus 8 all things square. Chariya balangu denna. Equal to opposite 90 R square, right? Opposite 90 R square, right? That's the first only one step about Pythagoras relation. Now apply a binomial expansion. Okay, I have explained this. A minus B all things square. Square of the first, negative, multiple both and double. Square of the last. එතකොට එන්න වරුම් 4R වර්ගම් 4R වර්ග නේද ඍණ මේ දෙක මල්ටිපල් කරලා ඩබල් කරන්න 28R, okay? 28R, okay? plus 14 වර්ග 196ද 196, right? Okay, 196. And plus you see here square it. R square minus multiple both and double 16R plus 64, right? Equal to R square. So there is an equation in terms of r square or. Now from here try to find the r. See here left, here r square cancel. එක පැත්තක් ගන්න r square minus r square 0, right? Therefore 4r square, how many r's here? How many r's? Minus 28r, okay? Minus 28r, and here minus is okay, 28, 56. Multiple both and double. ඔන්න කිව්වා මම මේක unedited video. Multiple both and double, 56. 56r, 56r. So what is that? Negative 72r ද ඊට බලන්න සරියා පාරංගල් 56 6 16 6 72 72යි, right? ධන සංඛ්‍යාත්මක කීයද 196 64 එකතු කරමුද? 4 මාරුන් 10, 1 rest 7 9 16 ද, okay, 1 rest 260 ද එහෙමද? හරිද වැඩේ? So this is become a quadratic equation, right? This is a quadratic equation. Therefore, we can solve by factorization method. So can I divide by 4 this? Divide by 4 වලින් divide කරමුද? බලන්න 4 වලින් divide කරන පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න හරියට set වෙනවා නැති. Divide by 4 everywhere. Then r square minus here 72 divide by 4, 18, right? Plus it what it is 26 divide by 4, 6 times 24, 2 rest 5, right? On the way. So this is the primary level of quadratic factorization, right? A local exam grade 9 10 එපා වෙච්ච ප්‍රශ්න r වර්ග ඍණ 18 r ධන 65 සාධක සොයමු කාරණී පඩතුවම්. Find the factorize. So you know the factors are 13 and 5, right? Factors are 13 and 5. So make a factorize කර and I show only one step answer. R minus 13 හරිද වැඩේ? අදපුවය බලන්න මගේ හරිද බලන්න wrong නම් කියලා දෙන්න. R minus 13, R minus 5, right? R minus 13, R minus 5. Two factors, therefore you know two multiple or any number of multiple equal to 0. One is 0 or the other one is 0, right? Therefore here R equal 13 or R equal 5, okay? R equal 5. මොකද වෙන්නේ R 5 ගත්තාම see here 5 minus 8. R is 5, 5 minus 8. Or R is 5, 5 minus 6, minus answer. Make L minus 1. Make L minus 3, minus 3, yes. If R is 5, make a negative answer, right? This is minus answer, not bad. R 5 ගත්තම පොඩි segment දිග ඍණ අගයක් එන නිසා අපිට උත්තරේ ගන්න බැරි වෙනවා ළමයි. So you can't take the R equal 5. Therefore, radius of the circle, quarter circle 13, right? Radius of the quarter circle 13. Okay, නියම වැඩ පට්ට වැඩක් කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන් කතාව අර බජාර් භාෂාව කියනවනේ. අද මාරිටන් සෙන්ජර් කින්රදු. Right, then අපි එමු එහෙමනම් what the quarter circle area? What the quarter circle area is primary level 1/4 pi r square, right? 1/4 pi r square. Quarter circle area 1/4 pi r square එහෙම නේද? So what is the answer there for 1/4 pi වලින් දියමු answer in terms of pi, right? What is radius square? 169. 169, okay? Therefore if I write නියම ආකාරයෙන් ලියුවොත් 169 below 4 into pi. Such a square units is the quarter circle area, okay? So I hope you understood clearly. මේක හොඳටම අදින්න ඇති කියලා හිතෙනවා. දැන් බලන්න ආසයි ලස්සනයි but you copy කරලා තියාගන්න. එතකොට තමයි ඔළුව දිගම genetically for neurology දිගටම හැමතැනම යනවා ඇති. Blood circulation පුරා මේ වගේ වැඩේ යන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒකත් හරි. So I ask a question ඊට පස්සේ වර්ග find the square area. So if you know one side of the square, one side 5, area 25, one side 7, area 49, right? ඒ වගේ පුළුවන් ද අපිට එක පැත්තක් හදමුද? Now see, I'll raise this part, see, I'll raise this. See, that is a simple case, a long work, a long explanation for the better solution. Now see this triangle in the Sengona Mukkoniya Parangal. This one BOE, right? BOE, right angle triangle. So R is 13, R is 13. 13 minus 8, 5 the. R minus 6, 13 minus 6, 7 the. Haridavade. Can I say X? I say X. What is X? Side of a square length. Side of a square length, right? Find the X square. What the area? X multiple X square. Area of a square. එක පැත්තක් x නම් x වර්ග නේද ஒரு பக்கம் x ரெண்டா x பெருக்கும் போது x வர்க்கம். The area of the square is x square. Okay, once again කොල්ල දෙමු the Pythagoras අද busy Pythagoras ගොඩක් busy අද ආයෙත් ගෙන්න ගමු දාන්න Pythagoras. So x square equal 7 square plus 5 square. So what is that? 49 plus 25 ද හරිද වැඩි බලන්න. එතකොට 14 ඔන්ඩු මිහුදී මූඩුම් නාලු මේලු 74 square units. So area of the square 74 square units. පට්ට වැඩක් දීලා තියෙනවද? So තව ප්‍රශ්න බෝඩ් එකේ තියෙනවා. That's better I'll show next time video because my target